Hello and welcome to our quick guide of the Content Management System, CMS, the new platform that you will be using to deliver course-related content to your students. Course-related content could be lecture handouts, revision notes, assignments, or even video material for our video on-demand platform. Once you log into the system through the URL https://cms.goc.edu.eg, the system will show you a list of the courses you are currently linked to as an instructor, as a professor, as a lecturer, or as a teaching assistant. And this information, which courses you are linked to, is retrieved from our main systems according to the linkage that the academic coordinator does. So if there are any courses that aren't properly visible for you here in the CMS, you could check with the academic coordinator to make sure that you are properly linked to these courses. You will see a list of these courses here, and you can click to view the course from a student's perspective. You can see what the student will see as a shortcut from here. To start managing the content of your courses, to start defining the weeks and the course plan, and start uploading material related to each week and each lecture, you go to the courses menu, and you will see a list of all the courses that you are linked to, or you can simply go to the all courses page. And then you click on manage course. Let's say we're going to work on the introduction to computer science 102. Once you open the courses page, you will see a brief information about the course and a list of staff members linked to this course, whether TAs or professors, lecturers. The administrators, the ones who can upload content to this course and manage the course plan, the course weeks, are the administrators, which by default are the lecturers. However, the lecturer could delegate this responsibility to any of their TAs by just clicking activate, and the TA will become an administrator and they can administrate this course. We will return to the normal situation now. The activities you can do related to the course, they begin with defining the course's weeks, the course plan. So we will start by adding a week, and let's say the first week will start on the 3rd of October. And this week is an introduction to algorithms. There are currently no announcements for this week. This field could be used if you want to send any or to show any quick announcement to your students once they log into the system. Save. Let's add like 2 or 3 more weeks. So the next one will start on the 10th, and this one will be sequential algorithms. And just one more week, and it will be on the 17th, which is conditional algorithms. At the beginning of the semester, you should define the entire course plan for all for the whole academic semester. If there are any things that you wanted to change, you can just deactivate this week. If there is anything entered by mistake for this week, you can just deactivate it and add another one, or we can delete this week directly. After defining the courses plan, the weeks, and the description of each week and the date for each week, you start by managing the content, uploading content to this course, or uploading content to this week of the course. So we go to manage content. You can always have a shortcut to view the course as a student. If you click on view as a student, you'll see the exact view that the students will see when they access your course. For now, this is the week starting on the 3rd of October, and it currently has no content. Let's start by adding some content to this course. So let's say we're going to add lecture notes, and we will add a title that is going to be visible for the students. So it's first lecture notes. These and a description that will also be visible to our students. These are the slides that were used during the first lecture. And of course, you can go a little bit deeper into the actual content of the slides. What do they cover? What topics are mentioned in these slides, very briefly. And then we choose the file that's going to be uploaded, a PDF document or a JPEG file or any of these formats. And these formats can be easily extended. If there are any additional needed file types, we can easily include them in these formats and update the system. So let's say we're going to add the lecture notes, upload and save. The content will be added. Let's add something else. Let's say we're going to add some revision notes. Lecture 1 revision notes, lecture 1 revision notes. And you can also add a description letting the student know what exactly the content of this document are going to be. And let's add these notes, for instance, upload and save. And additional content added. And let's add one final thing, maybe assignment 1. And you could also add a description about the assignment here. And let's use any of these PDF files. Let's say assignment 1A. You can, of course, deactivate any of the content that you uploaded, or you can change the sequence in which they are visible to the student. So let's say, for instance, we need to take the assignment 1 to be the first thing that the student see. You can control the order in which things are visible to the student using the up and down arrows. After you finish adding all the course weeks and the content to each week, or you could be adding the content gradually, but at least at the beginning of the semester, we need to define all the weeks and all the topics that will be covered in all the weeks. You can view the course as if you are a student, or see the student's perspective of the course. Once a student logs in, they see a similar interface to this one. Some of the information, of course, aren't going to be visible for the student, like how many students are enrolled in this course. This is a lecturer-only information. They will see how many weeks do we have in this course and how much content has been uploaded for now for this specific course. And then they can start viewing each week of the course. Like we have already defined 3 weeks, the week starting with October 3rd and the one starting with the 10th. And for each week, they will see the content that has been uploaded into this week, assignment 1, lecture, revision notes. And as a lecturer, I can see how many students already viewed this content. To view this content, they will just click on it and they can download the content, or they can even provide rating. How many stars are they rating this content? And you as a course lecturer will be viewing these ratings, as well as any complaints that the student delivered regarding a content or regarding a certain week. Now back to the lecturer's view. A special type of content is that you can upload to each week of your course is the VOD. Videos that you upload to be posted on our VOD service automatically. Whenever you are attaching a video file, we consider automatically that it's for the VOD service. For these files, there is an additional step that is conducted in the background, which is a review process. A review process where someone views the video to make sure that on different platforms, the video is going to be providing smooth and compatible playback with all student videos. So your VOD videos aren't made available to the student on the spot. Instead, they go through a quick review process first, and then they are automatically uploaded to our video on demand servers. As an academic, you can view the ratings and any complaints received regarding any material that you have uploaded to your courses, or the rating that the students provided to your course. However, there is no rating at the moment, but it will be visible here for each item that you uploaded. How many students rated this one as 5 stars, 4 3 stars, or 3. To recap, an email message will be sent, including the URL for accessing the content management system, https://cms.guc.edu.eg. This is where you're going to be uploading the material that you want to deliver to your students, and where you're going to be defining the weekly plans of the course as well. A special type of material is the video on demand, which is uploaded automatically after a quick review process to our video on demand service and is made available for the student. The courses that you see when you log into the content management system are based on the linkage that is defined on the main system by your faculty's academic coordinator. If there are any missing courses or any problems, you could refer to the academic coordinator. The email that we will be sending will also include a contact information for some team members of the IT department that you can refer to in case you have any problems or have any suggestions for improvement for future releases of the content management system. And now we reached the end of our quick demonstration for the content management system. Thank you so much for your time. Wishing you and our students a very successful semester.